Want to know how to complete daily quests quickly in Game of Thrones? Daily quests can sometimes give a really worthy and really good rewards. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how you can complete daily quest quickly in Game of Thrones KingsRoad. It's super simple and I'm going to show you how you can do it and the beginner. So let's get straight to it. So daily quests on KingsRoad Mobile gives rewards and resources every day. So completing them fast is the key. Start by checking all the quest objectives. First things first, plan your route so you can finish multiple tasks in one run. So if your path or your route is the same way, you can easily finish it if the daily missions match. It does require some amount of luck. Next, use fast and strong heroes to clear map missions efficiently. Combine daily quests with ongoing events to get double rewards whenever possible. Spend stamina on high value quests and avoid wasting time on low reward stages. Following this approach, daily will definitely keep your resources flowing and help you progress steadily. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.